A major Tesla bull actually came out, slashed their price target on Tesla, said that, you know what, they under-delivered recently. Some things are not looking as good as before. So they reduced the price target for Tesla that they had from about $974 a share down to $812. The main reason for this is this analyst, Jed Dorsheimer, explained how they failed to release the Tesla Model S Plaid Plus. And this model was supposed to have a longer lasting battery. It was supposed to feature the new 4680 cell battery design. And what this means is that they canceled it. They canceled that vehicle. It shows that they're probably not ready to get that new battery design out yet. It's probably taking a little longer to manufacture, a little longer to produce than they originally thought. And well, why is this bad? The only reason that this is really a little harmful is that one of the main advantages Tesla has for, besides its brand name, besides delivering more electric vehicles, one advantage that they do have, key competitive advantage that they have, is that better batteries are a competitive advantage. It's a competitive advantage for them versus GM, them versus Ford, all these other companies that are trying to get in the electric vehicle space. That's an advantage that Tesla has, is the batteries. Tesla has lower cost batteries, and so for example, this analyst explained how lower costs also allow Tesla to either charge less for their vehicles, which make it more competitive, or allows them to make more money per car, which also makes them more competitive. So by not having this new battery ready yet, it is a little bit of a concern, nothing too much long term, but they're saying that any battery supply constraint could impact Tesla, their vehicle deliveries down the road. Wall Street expects Tesla to deliver 800,000 to 900,000 cars in 2021, which would be up from about 500,000 cars last year. But they're saying any sort of battery delays, any sort of battery, anything that's going wrong with new battery designs could restrict these targets, could make them miss these targets in this year, and just something to keep in mind. So the 4680 battery that they were supposed to use refers to 46 millimeters diameter and a length of 80 millimeters. Today, the batteries are about half the size of that. So we'll see what happens, but this was a big announcement because this is an analyst who is a longtime Bitcoin bull, has been very bullish on Tesla, has one of the higher price targets on Wall Street for Tesla, gives it a price target of right around $974. So dropping it down to $812. It's not the end of the world. It still projects about 33% upside, but still something just to keep in mind.